Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished to use your favorite Chrome extensions right on your iPhone, I've got some exciting news for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and working method to install and use Chrome extensions on your iPhone. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be able to get them running smoothly in just a few steps. So, stick with me till the end, because I'm also going to share how you can manage these extensions effortlessly. Download the Orion browser. First things first, we won't be using the standard Chrome browser because iOS doesn't natively support Chrome extensions. Instead, we'll use the Orion browser by Kagi. Head over to the App Store, search for Orion browser, and download it. The installation is quick and free, so this part won't take more than a minute. Enable extension support. Once the Orion browser is installed, open it up. At the bottom right corner, tap the three-dot menu. From here, go to Settings, Greater than Extensions. Now, enable the toggle that allows Chrome extensions to work. This is the crucial step that unlocks the full power of Chrome extensions on your iPhone. Find and install extensions. Next, open a new tab in Orion and go to chromewebstore.google.com. This is the same Chrome Web Store you'd normally use on your desktop. Browse or search for the extension you want. Once you find it, tap the Add to Orion button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Just tap Add Extension and it'll install automatically. Manage your extensions. After installation, you can manage your extensions easily. Tap the three-dot menu again, go to Extensions, and from there, you'll see the list of everything you've added. You can enable, disable, or even remove any extension you don't need anymore. This makes it super easy to keep your iPhone clean and optimized. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've turned your iPhone into a mini productivity machine with your favorite Chrome extensions. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this with anyone who's been struggling to get Chrome extensions on their iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.